Bitfinex, one of the oldest exchanges out there. Not to say I trust them, but they did quote saying that there will be extreme greed in 2024. 3.2 trillion market cap. That's not too bad, okay? Where's 3.2 billion versus right now? About double. We're about 1.6, 1.7. So can we double in market cap in 2024? Yes. In fact, that's probably conservative. That's probably a very conservative number. We could see 2024 end at 5 trillion. Yeah, I would say, like a 3x, 4x, 5, 6 trillion. No problem. No problem, right? I mean, seriously, everyone's just guessing at this point. Everyone's speculating at this point. But you just put two and two together. With everything that's happening, everything that will be happening, it's just going to be a tremendous, tremendous year in 2024. Looking forward to it. All right, in terms of some technicals, let's look at where we are right now in the bull run. You can see we're very early. We're very, very early, okay? We're about 38% off from our top. So we have come up tremendously already this year, especially within the last 3 months of this year. But 2024 and 2025 is going to drive us to new peaks again. We don't know where. This one is saying that we're going to head to 350,000. A lot of conservative numbers are like 150, 200. A lot of normal numbers are like 250, 275. And a lot of bullish numbers are coming in at 300, 350, 500,000. I mean, really, we just don't know. We just don't know. Again, this puts things into perspective. I just realized my camera froze. My camera keeps freezing. I apologize, guys. I don't know why. So I have to use my side camera. It just froze again. All right, anyways. I'm going to have to correct that. Too much bullishness for my computer, but well, we'll continue with the side camera. Wait, hold on. Let me try to fix how this looks. Let's see if I could do it right now. There we go. That looks a lot better. Anyways, yeah, this again shows how early we are in this cycle, right? Like you look at previous cycles, look at how high Bitcoin went. We're nowhere near the top. Again, 300,000, 400,000. This one is predicting that we'll go into the 400,000 range. It's pretty amazing. What about altcoins? Well, altcoins are breaking out. Obviously, we've been seeing Bitcoin dominance go downwards. Okay, and Bitcoin just broke above 43 again. That's great. We've been seeing alts gain a lot of strength, specifically a few of them, right? We've been seeing a lot of L1s, L2s get strong. We've been seeing resurgence of some of the older projects from all the way back from 2017. We're seeing some gaming hype, NFT hype coming back, right? Obviously, a lot of memes. Memes are still hot. All that put together, we're seeing alts go upwards. And if you charted up, if you charted alts, their dominance is breaking upwards. Some of these big tech giants not doing well. Bitcoin and Bitcoin-related companies did do very well. Today is, again, it's the last trading day, at least for stocks. For Bitcoin, obviously, and crypto, we have a few more days since it never sleeps. It's 24/7. Today is the deadline for spot ETF updates. Basically, SEC has asked all these fund companies, hey, give us your updates by today if you want to be in the first waves of approvals, which means everyone probably submitted their updates. I've shown you guys like Hashdex, ARK, BlackRock. Everyone's been refiling just to show you how many there are. I thought there was 12. There's actually 13. There's 13 spot ETFs pending at this point, and they could all be released simultaneously. Well, not released, but get approval simultaneously. And that could be within the first week of January. It's exciting. Exciting time. Again, talking about Coinbase, look at the custodian column. Almost every single one is using Coinbase. Van Eyck decided to use Gemini. Wise decided to use Fidelity. But every single person, every single other entity, I guess, not a person, is choosing Coinbase. That's how strong they are. I've been talking about a lot of whales getting in. Of course, they want to get in. They don't want to miss out on a bull run. Who wants to miss out on a bull run? And this could be the best bull run we have ever seen. So that's why yesterday, $1 billion worth of Bitcoin left the exchange or exchanges, probably leaving most of it from, Coinbase, but it's a lot. It's a lot. Periodically, we do see a ton of Bitcoin leave the exchanges. Normally speaking, when this much leaves in a single day, it's because there's some big whale that decided to do an OTC buy with the likes of someone like Coinbase, and then they withdraw it. They withdraw it out, right? It's really that simple. And we're seeing a lot more of that. You notice that there's a lot more reds than greens on this chart, because there's a lot more withdrawals than deposits, and that's not going to change. I've been saying this. When it comes to Bitcoin, if you ignore everything out there, all the macros, all the fundamentals, the halving events, everything, the technicals, the only thing that really matters in terms of driving the price up for Bitcoin is supply and demand. We have a set supply, and the inflation rate keeps getting cut in half, and the demand keeps on going up. So nothing else mattered. Just know that due to supply coming down and demand going up, that alone will drive Bitcoin up to the moon. It's just really that simple. It really boils down to supply and demand. And demand keeps on increasing and supply keeps on decreasing. And we only have so much Bitcoin, and there will never be more. So that's why it's going to go up to the moon, especially with spot ETF approvals. When all the institutions and the funds start FOMO into Bitcoin, that's when we will see that scarcity factor really kick in very quickly, very quickly.